is brought youth side the Jamaica Baptist program of the Jamaica Baptist. Come on, youth sound.
And they represent what?
Youth.
What do you mean if a youth sound?
Don't know it's youth sound. Evening or good afternoon? It's evening.
Evening or fast.
And it's 4:30.
Afternoon.
So it's afternoon. So, hey everybody. This is what, the third, fourth?
So we are at the
Third
third
episode of Youth Sounds for
2019.
2019. Come on. And Daniel. Yeah, so we have Alice, Andre, Aline.
The school vibe.
Hello.
I recognize it took you a while in that cranium of yours. I think we're talking about mental health.
You should not be.
So I asked, what do we all understand is?
One is I don't want to say mentally. If you are brain working, not screw, not loose, you're continue.
Oh,
I mean, yeah.
Understanding.
Mental health is depression is health.
Yeah.
So it's the chemical really of how think and how life. The
Was
scientific.
that Oxford?
You could have fly, man.
Wiki.
Big up Wiki.
That's what I think really.
So, things like there's a depression.
Hallucinations. They want visual hallucinations.
Towards,
But look at it, this past person started at Einstein
Cuckoo.
and Einstein. So
But he did suffer. I think in mind is that what it is would affect somebody in society of things.
Yes.
I think that's what sensitivity. How do we actually health discussions? Mental health and it? I don't think we do.
I just looked on as like, you must look at the brighter side of things. It could really, and there could be something deeper that we are not.
Another thing is that we people, some especially those a bit further on than others, the best way, because instinct sometimes when somebody have on some that they're maybe a beggar or thing, people make up them feel like where they are, but it's something that we have go to the first thing that come to our, we're just really not sensitive to we quote unquote right mind them no normal.
This is for me. I the church certainly deal with it. Not saying that it, but I didn't. We must be honest now. The church uniform efforts towards the problem. There's the more literature. People are understanding, affected. People are trying of that individual. Many times we've gone to church and that young person just see, this person is an him just social antisocial mental illness. Right? Just say, make him stay, him cool. And it could be a cry for help till the point that the person probably killed him. Or they did something so dramatic to it and you're like, then now people will argue, where is this all of that?
And now, where was the church in
all of it? It's kind of hard to see. Sometimes there's a little key phrase along with this person. The word. It could just be up on the brink and more for go jump off.
So now you have some people where the church itself something about these people. Like on a personal level, you can give them a word of encouragement, preach about them, or you know what I mean? So it's a topic where so church.
Because a lot of us just sit back
for the minister and the church.
You want to do about this, what the council do about. There's something that we can going to go out and life. But doing
and guess ask the person who was then like somebody.
And we said something, so I think we forget that church building is one thing, but attends who is in that big. They are the church, so the usher, the deacon, everybody.
The problem is depend on our pastors do all the work.
True.
Realizing that they themselves, the pastor have to deal with. We are the first. Everything is concerned. But there is a fear, something that will cause not to do.
True.
The mental health issues will cause people not
and guess what now?
Stay away.
Down to the past that don't we look up to, we're supposed to. Exactly. Sometimes all them have men. So
For real.
Has even very personal.
There's one girl who committed suicide. I definitely can speak to that.
Though we're also just looking at difficult to diagnose, but the ones that have persons who suffer with those are mental health. Attention deficit hyper.
They look like we are run out of time.
Actually, when break and then we
come back.
I am Kim Lee.
Sakab retreat under the theme called for such a time as the 25 to 2720 Jamaica Deaf Village in $6,500 tinyurl.com by a retreat 9 tinyurl.com CABA19. Youth Department will be stayed under the theme on January 18 to 20th Speaker Apostle Ron Kingston Keswick Convention. The theme Be Renewed held from January 20 at 7 at the church. Tune in to You aired every Wednesday at 101. I am Kimberly Levy and the team.
And apparently, we call it a break.
I'm still Andre.
It's me. There's no shame. I've not been here for a while. This is a very...
Yeah, so we're on the point.
Right.
Things, so for example, there is a child with ADHD, and so responsibility that, like Andre, he advances. So, for example, he talk and he doesn't speak very clearly, so we have to say, hold on, so that we can clear. I mean, it's a collective ability, I think, because... Yes.
Okay, you have...
Really?
That is called role.
Okay.
Yeah.
And remember that for the persons who have that kind, so we have to bear not members and those in the immediate sports. It takes a village.
Tamara, I would like to push it as the family member, but the school is a part of something else. Remember, the teachers too would have to deal with this. My mother is a teacher, 40-odd students in her class. If one of that is diagnosed with, is like 1 million students. So I think going for the health issues is that we have at the forefront train, understand the symptoms to look out for and say what is a treatment, but and things to do. So what teacher who's ADD or ADHD lessons to that? What do you thought as autistic? Pastor that is depressed. Do you tell the church what deal with persons? Evangelism will be if mental health issues too. As a church need to know how evangelistic effort.
That's a very good way to don't seek a little more information. Seek out professional in mental issues.
Or if
you are not to get help. See, you need to get it. You're trying not to. Yes.
Right.
So we talk what we'll have.
So good evening, everyone.
Youth Sounds is Jamaica Baptist Union. Jamaica Baptist Union